Hi everyone, I am Sahana from Abrajita Sarees. Today we are going to be showing you some soft Sungri cotton sarees. These are very soft, lightweight and easy to wear and easy to handle. I will show you the sarees while my sister Spurti will explain you the sarees in detail. Please continue watching.
So the first saree for today is a bottle green color with wine borders. In Sungri sarees, these sarees don't come with a blouse. You'll have to go for your own blouse. So this is the first saree, a plain bottle green color body with wine, small border in the upper half of the saree. In the lower part of the saree, it comes with a big wine color border, a huge border, and that's the pallu. A very simple pallu with thin stripes of golden color. That's the saree number 1 for you, priced at 1,300. Right. This is a very traditional color combination, turmeric yellow with black color, with jet black color. This is a personal favorite of mine. A turmeric yellow body with black small border in the upper part of the saree, and a huge border in the lower part of the saree with peacock motifs in golden saree. That's the pallu for you with thin stripes of golden. Okay, that's saree number 2, turmeric yellow with black combination. Okay, priced at 1,300. In case you're interested in buying, take a screenshot and send it to 9945432727 and do let us know. Yeah, this is saree number 3, a plain Sungri soft cotton saree. This is a maroon color saree with chili red combination. That's the body of the saree, a plain maroon color with a small border in the upper part, huge border in the lower part of the saree. Yeah, that's the border for you, a gorgeous chili red color border. That's a simple pallu for you in chili red color with golden stripes all over the pallu. That's saree number 3, priced at 1,300. We have a gorgeous color, a very elegant color, a beige color with red combination. The body of the saree is plain beige in color. The border is chili red, a very dull red in color. It's not chili red, it's a dull red with a huge border in the lower half of the saree, and a thin strip of border in the upper part of the saree. Again, as for all Sunguris, it comes with a very simple yet elegant pallu with golden stripes all over the pallu. Okay? That's saree number 4, priced at 1,300. In case you're interested in buying, do WhatsApp us on 74831 Take a screenshot and send it to the number and let us know. This is a turmeric yellow saree with maroon combination. A very classic, a very traditional color combination. Look at the color, so simple yet so gorgeous, yet so elegant. Yeah? A very grand border in the upper part of the saree. That's the color, that's the border, and in the lower half, a very elegant, very grand border. That's the one. And a very simple pallu with the golden stripes all over the pallu. Okay, that's the saree for you, priced at 1,300. The next set of Sungri cotton sarees are quite different. These are kalamkari printed sarees. These are not hand-dyed sarees, because hand-dyed sarees are pretty costly. The starting range may be over 6,000 rupees. So these are in affordable range. This is a purple-based kalamkari printed cotton Sungri sarees with a chili red combination. It has elephant motifs in the border. Again, big border in the lower half, thin border in the upper part of the saree with kalamkari prints. You can go with a contrast brown blouse or a purple blouse. So this is the saree, priced at 1,400 rupees. Kalamkari printed saree. Yeah, the next saree is again a very traditional color combination saree. A bottle green saree with a chili red combination with elephant motifs in the saree. A very classic color combination. This comes, the base of the saree is in a bottle green color You can go with a bottle green color blouse or a chili red blouse. That's the sari. See, it looks so classy, right? That's the sari for you with chili red colored border, thin border in the upper part, lower part it has a broad border with elephant motifs, and that's the pallu for you. Kalamkari printed Sungudi saris come with a gorgeous, a very a beautiful pallu, which is not very simple, you know. The prints are all over till the pallu, right? So this is the next sari we have, a classic color combination. Yeah, this is again a bottle green color with a green color border, quite a unique color combination. This is a dark leaf green color border on the the border, broad border there. This is a unique sari because both the sides of the sari has a huge border with elephant motifs. That's a very grand pallu you have. Green and green combination, priced at 1,400. In case you're interested, do let us know on 99454322727. Take a screenshot and send it to us. This is a rustic orange and navy blue color combination. The base of the sari is rust orange. Alright, and there are kalamkari prints all over the orange base. The border of the sari is with navy blue color. It comes with floral paisley motifs and floral motifs. That's the pallu of the sari. That's the whole sari for you, priced at 1,400. These saris are not without, they come without the blouse. You'll have to go for your own blouse. Alright, this is the last sari we have for today. Peacock blue color sari with wine color border combination. Big border on both the ends of the sari. Right. It comes with a grand pallu. It comes with a grand pallu and a border, floral border with paisleys all over it. That's the sari for you. A very gorgeous, elegant. These are so photogenic, you know. Right. So this is the sari for you, priced at 1,400 rupees. That's the sari for you. No blouses attached.
So those were the 10 Sungudi cotton saris that we had in this show. We will come back with another set of beautiful saris in the next show. Until then, stay safe, take care. If at all you're interested, please message us either on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook Messenger. Hoping to get a positive response to these saris. We will meet you again in the next video. Until then, signing off, Sahana from Aprajita Saris.